In this three-part mini course, I'm going to share with you how to turn ChatGPT into your marketing manager. And this very first video is going to be the introduction and giving you an overview. Let me jump into my ChatGPT to show you what it looks like, which you know, of course, but this is what we have here. The two areas particularly I want to focus on is your custom GPTs, how to create that, why to create that, what to know about it, and projects. So we have those two main areas at this point of creating this video and sharing this information with you. We have custom GPTs and projects. Now, in my experience, and this is from working with this, not just taking a course or learning about it, but practically applying it, the difference seems to be, in my experience and the way I have used it, that a project is an awesome way to set yourself up and do a lot of research on something that you want to turn into a custom GPT. So I use the projects, and that's what this little mini course is about. I use the project, set up a project on a particular topic that I want to dig into. And once I have the information that I wanted to research and get into deeper, I then decide or can decide to set up a custom GPT. And I will tell you exactly how I do that and why. The big difference here is that the custom GPT, and that's the one we are in right now, you can not only put an image there so that you can distinguish it from others that you create, but you can also tell it what this is about or what this particular custom GPT is supposed to be for, as I have done here. And what we can also do in a custom GPT is to customize it. So let's have a quick look at what that looks like in this brief overview. So when we go to Edit GPT, this one is created. So we're just going to have a look at editing it. You can see in here, first of all, I did add the image in here where it allowed me to. I gave it the name, the description, the instructions. So what is this particular GPT for? It's all there, and then you can create conversation starters, for example, and you can put your knowledge files in there. So that is what we're going to look at in more detail in another video. For the moment here, for the purpose of this overview, let me now jump into the project just to give you the difference, what the project looks like. So when we jump into a project, let's say this one here, again, when you set up a project, you can choose an icon and a particular color that you'd like to have. You give the project a name. And within a project, every chat that you create there stays in the project. So that makes it really easy to find what you've already talked about or worked on in a project. And within a project, the memory stays there. So you can ask it to draw on memory from this chat and bring it into this chat, or you can newly upload it. So you can always upload information with the upload button. And again, we'll go into those details in another video. So this is the overview. Just to summarize this again, we are talking in this mini course a set of 3 videos, the overview, this video here, what you can do with ChatGPT, using it as a custom GPT, how to set that up, and using it in projects, creating a project and how to use that. And this whole information is based on my personal experience, how I have used it and how I've found it to be really powerful as my marketing manager. I'll see you in the next video.